In this video, I will show you how to check in online in Austrian Airlines. Now, in order to check in, what you can do is you can head right here to this book and prepare, or you can also go over right here to the My Bookings. Under My Bookings, you can see in here the Manage. Then under that, you can see in here the Check In option. Head over and click onto this Check In option, and in here, you can see in here this online check-in. So just scroll down. You can just identify your name and six-digit booking code, select the seats, add extra, and the likes. So do take note that in order to actually check in, you can head over and then do this through their application. So do take note that you can actually check in 47 hours before the scheduled departure onto this one. Now, in order to check in, head over and put in here your booking code or ticket number, then input right here your first name and last name and click on confirm. After you have done that, just follow the on-screen instructions in order to successfully check in.